Prime Minister Narendra Modi delivered a video message today at the 6th International Conference on Disaster Resilience Infrastructure. The Indian Meteorological Department has forecast widespread light to moderate rainfall and snowfall, accompanied by isolated thunderstorms over northeast India till April 29. India's permanent representative to the United Nations, Ruchika Amboj, on Tuesday reiterated to the United Nations Security Council India's commitment to women empowerment, peace and security. The National Stock Exchange of India will launch derivatives contracts on Nifty Next 50 Index from Wednesday. The Myanmar rebel group has withdrawn its troops from a town along the Thai border following a counter-offensive by soldiers of the ruling junta, from whom the rebels had this month wrested a key trading post, an official said on Wednesday.